Hey friends, welcome back to our channel, the best place where you can learn about various technologies. My name is Sushil and today I'm going to talk about how to create Windows 10 bootable USB using Rufus. You can check my video how to download Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft. Video link is given in the description box. The simplest way to create a bootable USB drive is with Rufus. Open Chrome browser and search Download Rufus for Windows 10. Open Rufus website. Download the latest version. Double-click and run Rufus software. Select your USB drive from the device drop-down menu. In boot selection drop-down menu, select disk or ISO image. Then click select to locate your Windows 10 ISO file. Select partition scheme as MBR and target system as BIOS. Give your USB drive a descriptive title in the volume label box. Click Start and then press OK to format the USB. Friends, process is about to complete. Click the close button to finish the process. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, share and like our YouTube channel, as we are going to be share such more technical videos on our channel. Thank you.